Hello? Hello, traders. My greetings to each one of you. Hopefully you can hear my voice. Hello? Okay, so I think no problems with the voice. So here we are. Okay, so here I have some selling orders toward in the GBP dollar, waiting for the price to reach this area. So I'm going to close on these profits. Okay, so the first entry on the GBP dollar. Okay, so my greetings to each one of you traders. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. 2021 was a great year with you, and looking forward to 2022. It's going to be a great year also with you. It's always my pleasure. Bake, hi, hello. Kay, long time no see. Hello, Kay. Yeah. Hello, King. How are you? Hope you had a pleasant Christmas. Thank you very much. Yes, we can hear you. Do daily stream. Well, actually, I'm not scheduling my live streaming, so basically all you have to do is to click on the notification bell of my channel, so you receive an instant notification whenever I go live. Good morning, everybody. Okay, so here we are on the GBP dollar, waiting for the price. Actually, I've sold here and took profits here, closed on my orders already here with some small profits. It's a small movement. Okay, I was selling there and I have closed here. So now I am waiting for the price to jump up more again. Okay, waiting for the next upward movement for the GBP dollar. You have to always analyze the market, of course. Okay, for other markets, let's start checking if we have other better opportunities. And I'm waiting for the number to increase. Please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you receive an instant notification whenever I'm going live. Okay, now you can share the link of this streaming so everyone can watch, so the number increase and we can start. Ryan, hi, first time waiting you. Thank you, Ryan. Steve, first time in King of Forex. You're most welcome, Steve. Yam, good morning, King. Lovely to see you again today. Thank you, Yam. It's my pleasure. Marmur, hi, King. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Marmur. Thank you. Wishing you a great holiday. Ryan, what is time frame you use? Here, actually, I'm using the M1 time frame. Okay, so for the first, for the people who are, or traders, first time watching my live streaming. Okay, here we are on M1 scalping. So I'm using 1 minute chart. Okay, it's the best for scalping. And here we have the EMA 9, as you can see, this one, EMA 9, EMA 20, the red one, EMA 50, the blue one, EMA 200, the green one. So I'm using exponential moving averages for all. Okay, and here we have the volume indicator, the standard volume indicator with the EMA 20 applied to it. Okay, so that's the setup. And of course, I advise you to watch my whole content on my channel. I have many videos. Actually, the whole content is well uploaded on my channel. That's why I'm not uploading frequently, because the whole content is very well uploaded. So you have to watch the whole content from the first video and the next one, the next, and the next. Okay, don't miss anyone. Watch the whole content to learn everything. Okay. Daika, hi King, how are you? Thank you for what you do. You're most welcome, Daika. It's my pleasure. Ricky, hello King. Hope you remember me from emails. Hope you're doing well. Good to see you live. Thank you, Ricky. Yes, I'm doing well and hope you're doing well too. Okay, so for the euro dollar mainly, we don't have any entry yet. For the GBP dollar, as you can see here, the price was moving a little bit away from EMA 9 and is returning always. So we don't have any aggressive movement for the moment actually, because as you can see, the volume is very low for the moment. Okay, the volume is almost very low and almost always below EMA 20. That's why at this moment the market is very slow due to this very low volatility, very low volume. Okay, so we cannot expect a very fast movement for the moment, but in any time this the market movement can change and the market can start moving faster and faster. Okay, so hopefully, but when you are in a slow mode market, you have to take less opportunities. Okay, you have to wait for fast and big movements to make huge profits from them. Okay, so you need experience here. Pay attention when you are in a slow market. Okay, you take it slowly. That's what I'm talking about, traders. That's what I'm talking about. We are in a slow market and waiting for a fast and big movements to make huge profits from it. Okay, so mainly here we have a big movement. Always pay attention to the market watch. Okay, the market watch is around 39, 40, 41 seconds, 42 seconds. It's to get the end of this 1 minute. Okay, so here I'm going to start selling due to this big upward candle movement. Okay, I'm going to place my first selling order here. Why? Because we are in a slow market and the market started moving very fast. Okay, and here I have almost sold at the end of this big bullish candle. Okay, so pay attention here. Let's see other markets if we also have some. As you can see, for the euro dollar, it's still very slow market. AUD dollar also. USD CAD, it's moving great. Okay, so here USD CAD, if now we can see a big jump for the downward, it's a great opportunity. USDCHF also, but as always open one chart, place your orders, finish them, close on your profits, and then move to another chart. Okay, as you can see, the second candle was a little weak, so I'm going to place a second selling order here. Okay, because this candle is about to end. It was, if I zoom a little bit, this candle was very weak. Okay, so as you can see, that's what I was talking about. The volume now increased immediately due to this big jump upward movement. Okay, the volume increased immediately. Okay, as you can see, cross EMA 20 and it's upward. And as you can see here, I've felt the weakness of this upward movement and sold here. Okay, so now if the price returns, I'm going to make profits. So my target would be almost there. Okay, because now we are, let's say, in upward movement, okay, or an uptrend. So this is between EMA 9 and the 20. We have the first support area. Okay, so as you can see, the EMAs, the moving averages, are parallel lines almost. Okay, and creating support areas because we are in uptrend for the moment, and similarly for the downtrend. However, this one, the first support area between EMA 9 and the 20. Okay, the second one between, okay, I'm going to sell here again. The first one between EMA 9 and the 20, first support area, the weakest one. The second one between EMA 20 and 50, okay, it's stronger than the first one. So the last one is between EMA 50, okay, here EMA 20 and 50. The last one between EMA 50 and 200, okay, this is the strongest one. Okay, so here as you can see, the price was moving upward and has reached already this support area, the second one between 20 and 50, okay, and bounced back from there, reached it again and bounced back from there. Okay, so now my target is on the third support area between EMA 50 and 200 to be making larger profits. However, you can close there. Okay, okay, let's see this upward movement. To analyze it further, first of all, the volume is increasing. It means many buyers are attracted by this uptrend, okay, by this upward movement. Many buyers are joining this uptrend. As you can see, that's what I'm talking about. The price is moving upward further because the volume has increased. Okay, that's what we was explaining, that here the market was in slow mode and suddenly a big jump upward movement, and now the volume is increasing, so it's a bullish movement and many buyers are entering this market. So in this case, you should keep some space between your orders and have patience to wait for the price to finish this upward movement. Okay, let's see for other markets before answering your questions on the live chat. For here, for the moment, AUD dollar is still very slow. Okay, mainly the mostly impacted is the GBP dollar. So we're on the right chart. Okay, and here I'm going to add on my order. Okay, so I've sold again, and as you can see, the volume crossed EMA 20 and hold above it. Okay, we're still above EMA 20. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so here I'm waiting for the price to see the next movement. Okay, for the moment, let's answer some questions. Oh my God, thank you. Hello, Mohammed. Oh my God, thank you. You're most welcome. Hello, KOF. Finally catching live. Hope you have been in great health. Thank you. Conal, love from India, King. You're most welcome, Conal, and my greetings to India. Following your strategy so long, it's wonderful and works 100%. Thank you very much, Conal. Marmur, thank you for everything, King. You're the best. Thank you very much, Marmur. It's always my pleasure to hear from you. Ricky, please keep explaining what you are thinking while trading. This is very helpful. Yes, exactly, Ricky. Of course, I'm always trying my best to explain everything, to give you my whole experience. Of course, I'm trying my best. It's always very hard for anyone to give his experience, of course, and in a short time, it's harder even. However, I'm trying my best, okay? So I'm analyzing the market, giving everything. Okay, now as you can see, the volume is still holding above EMA 20. It means that the buyers are still there. The bullish power, to explain more further, the bullish power is still there. So we can still expect an upward movement, okay? However, this is a weakness. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Now the price is moving downward. Okay, the price is moving in aggressive mode downward, as you can see. Okay, that's what I was talking about. The price moved immediately downward. Okay, let's see now. The market is moving very fast. Okay, pay attention here. You don't have to be afraid. You need a good heart for trading. Okay, trading needs a brave heart, definitely. Okay, it's not for everyone, definitely. Okay, so here the price started to move very fast. I could have closed here with little profits. Okay, so I missed it because I'm waiting for larger profits. However, I could have closed here. Okay, so for the traders who are selling with me, now you could have closed here with small profits, but if you are looking for the larger profits, okay, you need to be patient and to wait a little bit for the price to reach at least the second support area between EMA 20 and 50. Okay, and now as you can see, the price is in a big volatility, moving upward and downward very, very, very fast. That's great. The volume is holding above EMA 20. That's what I was explaining shortly, that here the market was in slow mode and suddenly we will see fast movements, and that's what I'm talking about. The volume is the biggest indicator here, as you can see. Cross EMA 20 and hold above it. Okay, so the market is moving very fast. Take a look at this big downward movement, indicating a great bearish power here. Okay, so from there the price wasn't able to move upward further. Okay, very weak candle, very weak bullish candle, and here definitely the bearish power due to this big bearish candle. Okay, and now the market is fluctuating between upward and downward. So let's see. The price may be jumping upward before moving downward toward the target. That's fine. Okay, so now we have fluctuations. very hard battle between buyers and sellers. That's why the price is moving upward, downward, okay? So this is a great volatility. Okay, and never ever over trade. Okay, so here you don't sell again and again and again. Okay, you never over trade. Okay, always keep that on mind, because over trading kills your account. Okay. Okay, let's continue answering meanwhile. Hola, mister. Hello. Greetings from Amsterdam, King of Forex. Hope all is well. Thanks for everything. Thank you, Victor. You're most welcome. And my greetings to your country, to Amsterdam. I've been there from a while, I think a month ago. Andreas, all the best to the real KOF. Thank you, Andreas. It's my pleasure. And my greetings to all of you, to all of your countries. I have many from the USA. It's always my pleasure. From Europe, from all countries in Europe, from France, from Italy, from Germany, from Spain. Worldwide, actually. Okay. Okay, so here, as you can see, the price went downward, but it was a very short movement. So it was, I could have closed here, but with short profits. So since waiting for the target, okay, so you have to be patient, okay? So let's wait for the downward movement, and meanwhile, I'm going to check other markets to be preparing for the next opportunity, okay? After this one. So here, AUD dollar also is giving a good selling opportunity there. However, we missed it because we already have an opportunity on the GBP dollar. Okay, Euro GBP mainly nothing. USD yen very slow. Okay, you don't have to trade the USD yen if it continues going like that. Okay, so mainly here we are. The GBP dollar is providing the best entry, and for the euro dollar now starting to move better. Okay, the volume is increasing and the market is moving better. Okay, so let's wait for the euro dollar might provide the next opportunity. Okay, so the next opportunity might be on the euro dollar because it's the best chart moving from when comparing with other charts. Okay, again, the GBP dollar, again, the sellers are here. As you can see, the market is not able to break this one. Okay, this level. So sellers are always entering at this level, and we are waiting for the price for the sellers actually to take the market downward. But the market is returning slower a little bit. So hopefully now the down movement starts, so we can close on our profits and take another opportunity. Okay, of course you cannot control the speed of the market, let's say. Okay, it depends on the number of traders, the level of volatility, and however, higher volatility is always better and recommended in scalping, since the price will be moving faster, so you can enter and exit the market in much faster mode. Okay, so you can make much more orders, much more profits, much more trades, much more entries, exits. Okay, again, the market is moving very slow. Let's see other markets meanwhile. Okay, so I'll be answering your live chat for the moment. Daiga, Happy New Year in advance. Thank you, Daiga. Happy New Year. Jay-Z, thank you for the volume explanation. I am busy with the 1% strategy. You're most welcome, Jay-Z. And my best wishes to you. You have the best strategy for the moment. The king is very very good. Thank you, Kathy. Okay, thank you. So happy to see you live again. Thank you, Kathy. It's always my pleasure. DJ, where have you been, King? Always here. Steve from Tanzania here. You're most welcome, Steve. My greetings to Tanzania. Okay, dear KOF, Yuvraj, dear KOF is asking a question. Dear KOF, do you look at higher H1, so 1 hour time frame, or H4, actually 4 hours time frame, to check if the market is in a range or trending and accordingly take decisions to scalp? No, actually, of course, definitely it can be done. You can always check higher time frames. It gives you an idea of the longer time frame where the market is heading. Okay, you can analyze it. Of course, definitely you can do that. It's feasible. Okay, however, for me as a scalper for many years, I don't need this option. Okay, I don't use it. No, I don't look for higher time frames. I just use the M1 time frame. Okay, but I repeat, you can use it. Okay, but for me as a scalper for many years, definitely I don't need that. Okay, I just look at the M1, analyze the market immediately, enter the market and exit, close all my profits, and that's it. Okay, here as you can see, the bearish power started. Okay, so let's keep our target in mind. Okay, we are looking to reach this target. And hopefully now the bearish power is starting. Okay. Tumulu, where you've been, always here. Mohammed, you're the best. You're God in Forex. Thank you very much for your kind words. Thank you. I finally was lucky enough to attend the first live session trading with you. I've been following you a year ago or so and already have the 1% strategy. Thanks for everything, King. Osman, you're most welcome, Osman. Thank you very much for this great comment. It's always my pleasure. And so glad to hear that you've got the 1% strategy from my website and you are using it. You're most welcome. Happy New Year and my best wishes for you. Mohammed again. Fantastic. Thanks, KOF. I usually do well while scalping. Just the strong trend messes things up sometimes. Yeah, sometimes. That's it. So it's all about experience again, and it depends on each situation. So I cannot answer in general for this. It depends on each market situation. That's why I'm always saying that you can watch my whole content. Okay, to watch different situations, how to act accordingly. And of course, experience is everything. The trader can only improve through more experience and practice. So first of all, being on the right path, having the right tools, that's necessary. If you have the wrong tools, the wrong strategies, you're not going to make it. So first of all, being on the right path, and then it's all about each trader. It depends on each trader. How much is he working on himself? How long? How many hours per day is he trading? How much is he working on himself? Of course, from there, once having the right tools, the whole knowledge, the right knowledge, everything, okay, the trader is ready, and from there it depends on each trader, of course. Daiga, just wanted to say your course from your website is a must for all traders, even for experienced. Thank you. You're most welcome, Daiga. Thank you very much for this great comment. Yes, exactly. My website, you can find everything on my website for Forex trading, and it's for all traders, from beginners to the most advanced ones. Definitely. Thank you, Daiga. Hello, King Ace. Hello, King. Good to see you again. I want to ask you, how do you differentiate from buying volume or selling volume in the different situations to take decisions? Thank you and have a good 2022. Happy New Year and wishing you a great 2022. How to differentiate between buying volume or selling volume? Actually, we don't have a buying volume or selling volume. The volume indicator is about the volume, okay? So it shows you the volume, okay? It's not a buying volume or selling volume. However, you have to analyze it if it's a volume increasing due to bullish power or increasing due to bearish power. Okay, so for example, from here, the market was moving. So if you have watched, I don't know, mainly from there, so let's say 20 or 30 minutes early on, you could have analyzed and understood or everything. Okay, so I will repeat it again briefly. So here the market was in a very slow mode. Okay, again, it depends on each situation, so let me explain this situation. The market here was moving in a very slow mode, okay, moving upward and then returning to this support area and bouncing off, returning and bouncing off. So here, very slow mode, volume was very low, as you can see below EMA 20, actually almost no volume, okay. And I was saying that, if you can watch again, I was saying, you can watch the replay also, I was saying that the market is going to make a very large sudden movement, okay, out of nothing. The market will be moving very fast, and from here the market started to move very fast. Since the movement was upward here and the market was already reaching the support area twice and breaking from there, bouncing off from there, so definitely it's a bullish power. So here the volume increased due to the bullish power. Many buyers were attracted by this upward movement, so many buyers entered this market and the market was moving upward. Okay, till there the market started facing a weak upward movement because many sellers have entered from there and are pushing the market downward. Take a look at this very big bearish candle, okay, while you can see the smaller candles upward. So here sellers are always waiting. Take a look, many times, very frequently, in a very short time, buyers were trying to break this level. However, sellers were pushing it downward. Okay, and now we are waiting for the price to be moving. So here, as you can see, the volume increased after a slow mode due to bullish power, and here of course the volume increased due to this battle between buyers and sellers. Okay, here the volume is increasing because the price is fluctuating. So here sometimes the volume is increasing not due to bullish power or bearish, sometimes due to both. So it means there's a battle between buyers and sellers. It's a fluctuation actually. The price will be fluctuating upward, downward, upward, downward. The higher, the more fluctuation, the higher the volatility, okay? Okay, so we are still waiting for the price to continue this downward movement while checking on other markets meanwhile. Okay, GBP dollar again. Okay, actually I'm receiving lots of your comments, so I'm trying my best to answer your live chat. Which one do you recommend, Daiga? Okay, please start channel Telegram. I don't have time for Telegram. And okay, Yuvraj, and I have both 1%. I have both. Okay, Yuvraj, and I have both 1% and EMA strategies. Have learned so much from the courses. Thanks a ton for all the content, both paid as well as free. Thank you very much, Yuvraj. It's my pleasure for this great comment, and so glad. Congratulations for your success, and so glad to hear that. Wishing you all the best in your trading career. Daiga, I bought all package, the best investment that I have made. Thank you so much, Daiga. Hey King, great to see you again. Glad to trade with you live. It's my pleasure. Thank you. Okay, so here, as you can see, we have a gap. The price went upward with a gap. Okay. So here we have a gap. The price is breaking this one with a gap. So I'm going to sell here. Okay, I'm going to place my order here. However, we have a gap here. Sir, love you from India. I'm trying and practicing EMA strategy. Okay, get a trending flow. Please advise. Everything is very well explained in the full version of the EMA strategy available on my website. Okay. Songli, good morning, King. Because of you, I made 80k during the last 2 weeks of December while trading during saying December is a bad month to trade. Okay, yeah, great. So congratulations for your big profits made during December. Congratulations. Okay, so here I'm going to place my selling order also. I'm new, how can I start? Okay, you have to watch my whole content on my YouTube channel from the beginning, okay? Watch my whole videos, don't miss anything. And you can find everything on my website. Andreas, XAU USD check. Okay, meanwhile, I'm on the GBP dollar yet, just waiting for the price to see for this upward movement. Hey King, I'm new here, where should I start? Again, you can watch my whole content on my YouTube channel. Okay, so again, let me check other markets. AUD dollar, mainly nothing. For the USD CAD, it's moving still very slow. USDCHF also. And for the Euro GBP. Okay, USD yen started to move a little bit, breaking this movement. Okay, moving a little bit faster. So providing higher volatility, while the GBP yen also moving much faster at the moment. Okay, okay, that's great. So for the euro dollar now, it's moving also better. And the GBP dollar, after this gap, this upward movement, the market is moving faster. Okay, so the price is always reaching the first support area, as you can see, and bouncing off from there. And now the price is making the highest bounce off from the first support area. So waiting for it before reaching this support area, the second one and the third one. That's normal. It's always, the price is always jumping between support areas, reaching them and bouncing off and then reaching them again. Okay, so that's very normal. Hopefully the market start moving faster so we can see faster movements. Okay, so the price again is showing some weakness here, and we are waiting for it to see after this indecisive movement if the price is going to return or okay, again, so the price is fluctuating, as you can see. So I'm going to place another selling order. And why? Because here, as you can see, the price fluctuated many times, okay, showing a very indecisiveness, showing a weakness. So I've placed two selling orders almost at the same level, okay. So if the price starts returning for the moment, I will be making double profits from that, because the market has shown weakness here, okay. As you can see, now the price is preparing for the downward movement, okay. After this shown weakness here, so the selling power is available, but the buying power is still very strong. That's why the battle here is between buyers and sellers. So sellers are not able to take the market downward. okay, due to this battle here. As you can see, the market is always indecisive here between buyers and sellers, okay? Of course, you have to be able to read the market to analyze what's happening between buyers and sellers, where the price is actually heading, and what's happening for the moment, okay? So let me answer the chat. Again, for the meanwhile, the price is still indecisive. Let's see for the euro dollar, the price is moving upward. Okay, the euro dollar is making better movement for the moment. Now you can start selling the euro dollar. So if you don't have open orders on the GBP dollar or any other market, if you don't have any open order, now you can start selling the euro dollar, okay? It's moving in a great mode. AUD dollar also started to move faster. For the USD CAD, we are still moving in this downtrend in a very slow mode, okay? So mainly the price is very attached or close to EMA9, not providing any buying entry opportunity. USDCHF is moving better. Okay, now it's away from EMA9, providing a better opportunity, okay? For the Euro GBP, nothing for the Euro GBP. For the USD Yen, it's still at this fluctuation. So here you might have sold and closed here. Here you might have sold and closed, buy and close. So you have to wait for this big movements, okay? So you have to understand each market for each situation, okay? So for the USD Yen, for example, for the traders trading it, here as you can see, the price is moving very slow, okay? So you have to wait, for example, here for this big upward movement. You sell immediately and you close there. Here you buy immediately and you close there. Here you buy immediately and you close there. Here you sell immediately and you close there. Okay, here buy and close. So here you do nothing. Okay, so pay attention at these situations. For example, here you do nothing. You do nothing. You wait for a big movement like here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. You have too many opportunities, but you have to be patient to wait for them. Okay, for example, this one was not an opportunity. Okay, this one, very small opportunity, so you don't have to take it, okay? Wait for the big opportunities when the market is moving like that, okay? For AUD Yen, we don't have anything. Also here, we don't have, okay. So mainly the Euro dollar is the next candidate after the GBP dollar. The GBP dollar is still at this strong level, as explained previously. We have a strong resistance line, okay? As explained previously, take a look. When you see these candles, it means the market is indecisive, okay? As you can see, we have lots of indecisiveness at this moment, and the volume, unfortunately, is getting lower and lower, okay? So the market is indecisive with a very low volume. That's why you see very low candles, okay? And now we might expect a jump movement, so a big movement, big candles are to be expected suddenly, either upward or downward, because the market here is in indecisive mode. However, sellers are at this level at a great number, but buyers are also at a great number. So that's why the market cannot move neither upward nor downward. However, the market is going to return to reach this support area, the last one, between EMA 50 and EMA 200, okay? And of course, indecisiveness is the worst thing, because the market is not moving. Okay, so let's see for the, okay, let's answer the chat for the moment. Okay, Song Lee, today I made 10K during Asia London session. I currently on AUD dollar, cashed out most of positions. I left one position open with 3 lot. Is there a way to send screenshot on your live from yesterday till today? I've made 20K. Congratulations for your big profits, Song Lee. Actually, traders, congratulations to all of you. I know that all of you are making big profits, some small profits. Congratulations to all of you. I've started this channel to place traders on the right path toward success, and that's my legacy. So it's always my pleasure to hear that, and congratulations for your big profits and for your success and for your improvement. Okay, it's my pleasure. Actually, it's my legacy. Okay, can I send you a screenshot here on the live? Okay, no, it cannot be done, unfortunately, Song. However, congratulations again for your big profits, and continue improving in Forex trading. Okay, again, here we have, okay, now the price started to move faster a little bit on the GBP dollar. Hassan, yes. Okay. Love you, King. Which lot size is recommended? Okay, actually for a 100k account, in scalping in general, for a 100k account, volume 1 or one lot is recommended. Okay, is the right size, the suitable size. However, if you have great experience and if you are doing well, okay, you can use more than that. Let's say you have 50k account, you can use still volume 1, okay? Or with a 100k account, you can use volume 2 or 3, okay? So in general, for a 100k account, the suitable size for scalping, because you are scalping, so you are, of course, if you want to take a position for a long term, it's completely different. But for scalping, for 100k account, volume 1 is great, or one lot, okay? So accordingly, you can for other accounts, okay? So for example, for a 10k account, you can scale it, so it would be a mini lot, okay? And micro lots for 1,000 account or less, okay? So for $1,000 account or less, the best is to use micro lots, okay? Good morning, sir. Is it good to short on uptrend? I have purchased your course, but I'm confused about getting started. Exactly, everything is very well explained in the course. It depends on the uptrend, okay? It depends on each situation. So that's why the experience is very important, to be able to read the market and treat each situation accordingly, okay? So it's not in general for uptrend. It depends on each uptrend, on each situation, how the market is making this uptrend, okay? Okay, the GBP dollar, again, we are seeing another gap here. As you can see, another gap. Okay, so I'm going to sell here due to this gap. For the euro dollar, I would like to keep an eye on it since it's moving upward also. Okay, can you please record a premium video about the high frequency trading strategy that you have used on previous videos? Yes, I've made a video about high frequency trading, so you can watch it. It's already on my channel. The 1% trading strategy. Song Lee, trading guru make people believed it's impossible to trade during December. Only approximately 6 months with the king. Please, king, create a community for testimonials and results. Yeah, I know, Song Lee. I really know that you are making large profits. I know, and during my live trading also, and all of my live trading, you can watch the replay, and you know already that the traders watching my live trade and taking the trades with me are making very huge profits. I know that. So no need for testimonials or results. My YouTube channel is already a testimonial. It's already the whole demonstration, let's say, the whole proof. That's my legacy. That's everything. No need for testimonials or to show results, definitely. Richard, hi King, can you see Euro GBP? Okay, definitely. For the Euro GBP, okay. Okay, for the Euro GBP, at this moment, the market is moving in a range mode, okay, as you can see. So it's very close to the analysis of this market is very close to the USD yen explained previously. In this case, as you can see, the price is not moving almost, okay, very slow. So at this case, you can expect big sudden movements. For example, here, okay, so here you could have bought and closed there. Here also buy and close. Not this one. This one is very small. Okay, this one, okay, but very small profits. Okay, so in this case, you have to wait for the market to move suddenly, very fast from, so big candles from EMA 9. Okay, once done, you can enter immediately and close immediately on EMA 9. You don't wait for further. You don't wait for large profits. It's about fast entry and fast exit also, okay? So small profits, okay? But in total, you will have too many entries. Okay, so you have to wait for it. You keep waiting. Now you do nothing. Now, if the price, for example, jumped upward toward there, here you sell and you close immediately on the EMA 9. Okay, that's how to treat such situations, such ranging slow mode markets. Okay, that's what a good question. Okay, another one. Hi, hello. Hi King, I would love to get to discuss. Okay. Yes, the 1% trading strategy is available on my website. The highest value product. Okay, Andreas, please make a paid version of volume trading with all secrets of smart money concepts. Okay, Andreas. Okay, yes, I understand what you are looking for. Hopefully soon. However, a new product on my website, any new product on my website that I upload on my website is immediately announced on my channel. Okay, so if a new product, once I launch a new product, I will be announcing it immediately on my YouTube channel. Okay, so no worries about that. And thank you, Andreas, for your interest in my products as always. Okay, if it's above your take profit level, then what happens? Okay, actually I don't use take profits for let's say a specific level. Okay, so I was using the take profits to show that I will be closing my orders around this area. Okay, so it's not specific, it's just to show that around this area. Okay, but actually I might close before this take profit level. Okay, so I'm placing the maximum that I could wait for it. Okay, so here I will not close below this take profit level, that's it. Okay, but I might close now, I might close here or here. Okay, so the take profit is not for a specific level, of course, and you can always replace it, for example, or move it. Okay, so it's not something specific. Okay, for example, now I will be closing around here actually. Okay, so it's not about the take profit, it's about closing very fast your orders. You have to be fast in closing and opening your orders, as always, as in all of my live streamings and all of my videos. You can see how fast you should be in closing on your orders. Okay, so now the downward movement is continuing. Let's continue answering your questions on meanwhile. Okay, the price now is moving. As you can see, now the market crossed this first support area, is crossed the second support area. Now the price is facing this battle at the second support area. Now the price is going toward the third support area between EMA 50 and 200. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. The price crossed the first one, reached the second one, and is going to reach the last support area. Okay, okay, here, so the price here is facing difficulties breaking the EMA 50 as you can see, the second support area is stronger than the first. However, the price will break it and move toward the last support area, as you can see. I love you, bro. Always big thanks to you, my brother. You're most welcome. Thank you very much. Thank you, King, for eurugBP. I understand my mistake. You're most welcome, Richard. Trying my best always to explain everything. Okay, Mark, sir, is it good to trade during the news on London to New York session? London, New York session using the 1% trading strategy? Yes, definitely, of course. You can always, it's not about the strategy. For any strategy you are using, you should be able to apply it normally during the news, okay? And the news are always good, providing good volatility in the market. However, for a beginner, of course, trading the news is a little bit difficult, a little bit harder, okay? But for experienced trader, trading the news, and when I mean experienced trader that is applying the strategy for some time and has some experience, trading the news should be great thing because the market will be moving very fast. So the trader will be applying the strategy normally during the news. That's it, okay? Andreas, thank you, King, for new products. I bought all your products and it pushed me up. You're most welcome, Andreas. Exactly, I've started this channel and made my website to be placing traders on the right path towards success. That's my legacy and, of course, my pleasure. Please note, traders, that I only have my YouTube channel, this one, and my website. I don't have anything else, neither on YouTube nor outside for the moment, okay? I only have my YouTube channel and my website. Everything else doesn't belong to me, okay? It's only my YouTube channel and my website. The link to my website is in the description box of all of my videos and everywhere, okay? So I repeat, I only have my YouTube channel and my website. Okay. Nico, what if price continues going up? That's it, Nico. Okay, as explained previously, the price cannot keep going up and up and up, neither down, down, down. Okay, so I advise you to watch my content from the beginning, okay, to understand, because it depends on each situation. However, so here, as you can see, the price was moving upward and returned, but very small movement. And now after moving upward, here, as explained previously, the price is going to break the first and second support area. And exactly that's what happened. The price break the first support area. The second support area was broken. And now we are waiting for the price to reach the last support area. So meanwhile, knowing that the price is continuing this uptrend. So now you can see what's the meaning of that, okay? So the uptrend is continuing, however, the price is reaching the support areas and continuing the uptrend, okay? So it's all about that, okay? It's about understanding the analysis of the market, okay? For the euro dollar also, as explained previously, it was a great selling opportunity and now the price is returning. Always doing good, bro. Thanks for help. You're most welcome. It's my pleasure. King, I realized currency pairs work better. Indices such as US 30 move up and down around EMAs more often. Therefore, it's safer for me when I trade indices like... Yeah, of course. It depends on each trader and what charts does he prefer, or some traders prefer indices, others prefer currencies, okay? So it's normal, each trader prefer something for applying his strategies, definitely, okay? Hello, King. Thank you very much. It's long time to see you and your video. Thank you. You're most welcome. Thank you, sir, for making it clear to me. You're most welcome, Mark. Please advise how you take sell trade. Okay. Again, you have to watch my whole content from the beginning, okay? to be able to understand why I've been taking this sell trade. Okay, you have to watch my whole content from the beginning again and again. Okay, and for here the full analysis is made, so you can watch the replay, okay, to be able to understand that. Okay, we continue again. Here we are. The price is moving downward and upward, still fluctuating around the first support area and the second support area. So as you can see here, the price is in the second support area between EMA 50 and between EMA 20 and EMA 50, not able to be moving upward neither downward. Okay, that's due to the low volume. You can see it here. Take a look at this very low volume here. That's why the price is fluctuating. That's why you see these very small candles, unfortunately. So today the volume is very low. Okay, so that's why the price is moving upward and then downward, and here fluctuating, almost moving in one line. So that's due to this very low volume. Okay, so hopefully volume gets larger. Let's see for other markets. For the euro dollar, it's much better, as you can see. Okay, so the price is not making these very small indecisive candles. It's moving upward and then downward, so it's taking action, let's say, in other words. Okay, however, for the GBP dollar, it's unfortunately like that. Again, you cannot control the volume or the speed of the market. Okay, for the GBP dollar now, as you can see, this very big candle. Okay, hopefully this big movement that we are talking about, the price crossed the EMA 50 for the first time ever. The price crossed the EMA 50 for the first time ever, as you can see. Okay, so for the first time ever, the price crossed the EMA 50 here. Okay, we've been waiting for the price to break this first support area, second support area. We've been waiting for the price to break the second support area and to move toward the last support area here between EMA 50 and 200. So here we are in the last support area between EMA 50 and 200. The price was able to break them all, first and second, and now moving toward the third one. Again, all what we need is big downward movement, or actually big volume, to see these big movements. Okay, again the price is still okay. Now the price is moving downward faster. The price is facing some hard movement here because it's facing difficulties or challenges, because it's entering the last support area between EMA 50 and 200, which is the strongest one, or the hardest, the toughest support area to break. Okay, that's it, between EMA 50 and 200. Okay, the last one, it's the toughest to break, so that's why. And due to this low volume, the market is facing these challenges. Okay, again, let's okay, I'm trying my best to answer all of your questions. However, I've been receiving a lot. It's a long time to see you. Thank you. Okay, please advise how you take sell positions. Again, you can watch my whole content on my YouTube channel to understand, and you can watch the replay of this live streaming to understand the full analysis, each second by second. Okay. Please, EMA strategy full version. Okay, it's available on my website. You can get it from my website. KOF sir, would you please make more paid course to teach us more situation? I understand what you are looking for. Okay, and again, once launching a new product, it will always be announced on my YouTube channel, so no worries about that. However, the complete trading skill set is available on my website. I see all the video of yours, but I trade in opposite way. Sometime gives profit, sometime no, it's not like that. Okay, you have to learn the right way. Okay, you have to to learn the strategy exactly, to learn the right way and the trade in the right way, to be able to walk on the right path in forex trading. Okay, so you need the right knowledge, the right direction. Okay, it's not about some time like that and others like that. No, in this case the trader of course is going to fail. Okay, you need the right knowledge, the right path, one way to walk on. Okay, hi King, how to I have some good runs, how to make sure for strong trend I have some good runs but then get caught in strong trends? Okay, that's what, because you are only using the basic version of the EMA strategy. Okay, everything is very well explained in the full version of the EMA strategy available on my website. Okay, increase the stream quality. Okay, that's it. What can I do? Okay, euro dollar selling King. Okay, let's check for, okay, as you can see here, take a look at the volume. It's very low. The volume is not moving, so that's why the price is not moving. Okay, as you can see here for the GBP dollar, take a look at these indecisiveness. Okay, the market is not moving, nothing. Okay, the volume is very low. That's a very bad situation for the GBP dollar here, for the chart actually, for trading, for scalping. Okay, that's very bad. As you can see, too many indecisiveness, so the price is not moving neither upward nor downward. Hopefully the price continue this downward movement due to this very slow mode. So let's see. For the euro dollar, again, the euro dollar is doing much better than the GBP dollar since it's moving downward. Okay, it's doing much better. Again, let's check the GBP dollar now. Finally, after breaking the second support area, now the GBP dollar is entering the last support area, the toughest one between EMA 50 and 200. All we need for the GBP dollar is a bigger volume, so this downtrend can continue immediately. Okay, so now the price is entering the last support area between EMA 50 and 200. Okay, as you can see, the price is entering the last one and will continue further. For the euro dollar, it's still moving downward further and further. And for the GBP dollar, we are still moving downward. As you can see, the price is very low, the volume is very low. However, the market is continuing downward. Okay, finally the GBP dollar, now we are seeing better movement. Okay, bigger movement. Okay, now we are seeing bigger movement. Okay, now you can start closing on your orders. Okay, you can start closing on your orders for the moment. Since the market is moving very slow, I'm going to close just because I have to close on my orders because I have to end this live session. Okay, after this long time. Okay, now you can close on your orders on the GBP dollar. As explained previously, we have closed here. Okay, we have closed here as explained here. As explained previously, we have closed here between EMA 50 and EMA 200. Okay, exactly, I have closed here because the price, that's what I'm talking about. That's what the reading of the market is all about. I have closed here because the price has shown, I felt it immediately, I can feel it. I can feel the price before it moves. As always what I say, the price dictates exactly. Here I told you that I have closed here because I felt it immediately that the price is going to move upward because it's showing some weakness while moving downward. So now you can close on your orders on the GBP dollar. We've expected a larger profit, however it's not large as we have expected. Why? You have to know why. Due to this, due to the very low volume. Take a look at the volume here. Okay, volume here almost zero, no one was trading almost. Okay, just to understand. Okay, so you have to understand why you have expected a large of course at the end the profit is a profit, but sometimes you expect a large profit and you make less. Sometimes you expect small profit and you make more. Why? Okay, so here for example you've expected a larger profits maybe, okay, and that's fine, but the price went in indecisive mode. Take a look here at these candles, at this indecisiveness. This thing kills the market, okay, because the price is moving in this way. Nothing, okay, nothing. EMAs are moving toward the price, and it's just waste of time when the price is doing like that. Okay, so unfortunately too many times here and here and here. That's why if the price had returned immediately from there, of course profits would have been much more, much larger. But since the price fluctuated a lot, went into indecisiveness mode a lot, that's why profits will be less. Okay, but at the end of course profits are profits, and as you can see the price now is continuing to end this EMA 50, EMA 200 or less support area. Okay, however I don't have time to wait for it, so that's why I have closed on my profits. Okay, okay, tell me how much of profits you've made. Let's see. Okay, Andreas, can you show advanced trading with hedge again, buy and sell same? Okay, so you are asking for the high frequency trading. Okay, I might be making a video about it soon, hopefully. Pedro, you only need the 1% strategy. That's where the gold is. Exactly, Pedro, exactly. Thank you for your kind words. That's what I'm talking about, traders. Now you can close on your orders. Now you can close on your orders after this great downward movement. Okay, now you can close on your orders on the GBP dollar with profits. So all of you have made profits in this GBP dollar movement. Congratulations for your profits. Exactly, the 1% strategy is the gold. It's the highest value product, and that's what only the trader needs to kill the market. King, any secret strategy for swing trading that the 1% only know about? Yes, actually I've never talked about swing trading, and hopefully I'm focusing this channel only on scalping because I always prefer scalping. So for swing trading, hopefully I will start talking about it or upload a video, so hopefully we can talk about it soon. However, mainly the whole channel is about scalping. I'm in love with scalping. I'm attracted to scalping. Scalping is the best way of trading. Okay, but of course swing trading and long-term one position trading are also great. Okay, but scalping is the best, and the real trader, the strongest traders, can be tested in scalping. Okay, not in swing or the long term. Okay, scalping shows the real professional strong trader. That's it. Okay, Daiga exited GBP dollar with 186 profits. Thank you. You're most welcome, Daiga. Thank you, sir. Hi, please tell me something because I'm confused. Okay. Yes, you can watch my whole content. Okay. Euro dollar in profit for me. I press sell when you said it. You're most welcome. Yes, exactly. I told you to sell there, and now you've closed with profits. Exactly. Congratulations for your profits. For the GBP dollar, exactly, I told you to close here. So congratulations for your profits again. $180 profits. Thank you, King. You're most welcome. Congratulations. A quick $115 profit. Thanks, King. Osman, you're most welcome. $550 profits, Andreas. I just joined. I have missed a lot, I guess. Yes, exactly. Okay, $630 profit just for euro dollar. I took 4 sales on it. Thank you, King. You're most welcome. Okay, so many of you made couples of hundreds of dollars as I have made. That's great. and congratulations for your big profits. Okay, traders, so as you can see, the market is very slow and I have to end this live stream. First of all, congratulations for all your profits made with me, and unfortunately we've taken only 2 positions because the market is very slow, really very slow. Take a look here. It's around 1 hour and you don't have any entry, just a selling entry here. Okay, so sometimes the market is fast, sometimes it's slow. Of course you cannot control that. However, profit is always a profit, and entering the market, trading is always trading. So you have to trade slow market, you have to trade fast market, you have to trade everything. Trade for long hours, learn slow market, fast market, ranging markets, trending markets, learn everything. Okay, take a look here. For example, the price started to move faster. Okay, take a look here. I told you to close there on the GBP dollar because you have the risk of moving upward, bouncing. Take a look at the volume. Okay, exactly as explained, the volume here was very slow. Now since the volume jumped upward, now since we have a higher volume, the price started making big candles immediately. The price start moving faster. Okay, all you need is bigger volume. Okay, so hopefully now it continues like that, and unfortunately we've been waiting for such movements, but unfortunately we didn't have such fast movements. Okay, so that's it for today. Let me answer your final question before closing this live stream. Okay, I made $630 profit just for euro dollar. I took 4 sales on it. Thank you, King. You're most welcome, and congratulations for your 630. I just took same trade. I just took same trade with 1% strategy on Nasdaq. Okay, works great. If you know what King is teaching, thanks a lot, King. Exactly, you can apply the 1% strategy on all markets, and congratulations for your profits and your success. I made 250 pounds profit on GBP dollar. You're most welcome, Yam. Congratulations for your profits. You are the best. Thank you, King. It's my pleasure. Please, King, can you show us where market go up of this graphic, GBP dollar? Where market go up? Yes, of course, you can watch my previous live streams, my whole content. I've traded different situations, too many videos. Okay, so of course it's available. You can watch, you can find it. How can we find out the basic trend in 1 minute? Everything is very well explained on the products on my website. Okay, happy new year to you all, Daiga. Happy new year, Daiga. Thank you so much for your live trade. Best gift for new year. Best wishes for you and your family in 2022. All the best. Thank you very much. It's my pleasure. And yes, let's say this live is as a new year gift for you. Actually, my website is my most expensive gift for you. Okay, because I've put my whole experience there and everything is there. Okay, I know scalping is great, but sometimes I need a set and forget strategy too. Please do some swing course in 2022. Hopefully, Song. Okay, it's taken. Okay, you are by far the best. Thank you so much, Song. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Happy New Year, KOF. Stay blessed. Happy New Year, Yufraj. Happy New Year's. You are a blessing, sir. Thank you, JKL. Richard, thank you, King. We need more live like this. Yes, definitely. I will try my best to be going live more further and further. Work on yourself. Okay, first get the right knowledge, start on the right path, and start working on yourself each day, day in, day out. Work on yourself, start feeling the market, start analyzing what is the price doing. Try to read it, try to analyze it, try to understand it. Okay, develop the feeling of the market. Again, I repeat, first of all, get the right knowledge to start on the right path. Otherwise, you are wasting your time, believe me. So get the right knowledge first, start on the right path, and then work on yourself daily, day in, day out. Okay, and you will see your improvement in a very short period of time. You will see that you are better understanding and feeling and reading the market. Okay, that's it for today, traders. Again, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas to each one of you. It's always my pleasure. We've had a great 2021. Let's make a great 2022. My best wishes for you in your trading career and everything you do.